So for question 30 and pretty much all the questions after in this chapter, we are now solving equations. So we are typically finding the values of x. So in this first question, I have 2x equals to negative 75 plus 7x. So when I have an equation like this, I want to bring all x terms to one side. So I want to move the 7x to this side. When you move from one side to the other, you do the opposite of that. So I'm going to have 2x minus 7x equals negative 75. Then I can combine these two like terms. So negative 5x equals to negative 75. And I can divide both sides by negative 5. I get x equals to 15. I've solved the equation, found the value of x. Same thing in question 31. I have negative 4x equals to negative 88 plus 4x. I'm going to move this 4x to that side. It becomes a minus 4x. Combine these two like terms, it becomes negative 8x. Now I'm going to divide by negative 8. Get x equals 11. Question 32, I have 3x minus 9 equals to negative 5x plus 12. So I'm going to start by moving this 5x, negative 5x to this side. It's going to be positive, and I'm going to move the negative 9 to the other side. It's going to become positive as well. So I have 3x plus 5x equals to 12 plus 9. I did the double movement. I'm going to combine my like terms. So 8x equals to 21. Then I'm going to divide by 8. So I get x equals 2.625. Same thing for question number 33. I have negative 4x plus 5 equals to 2x minus 6. So again, I'm going to do my double movement in this question. If I move the 2x to this side, it's going to become minus 2x, and if I move the 5 to that side, it's going to become negative 5. So I have negative 6x equals to negative 11, and then I'm going to divide by negative 6 on both sides. I'll get x equals to 1.83333. Question number 34 is a pretty simple question. I have 2x plus 0.29x equals to 6.85. I just have to combine these two like terms. So 2.29x equals 6.85. I'm going to divide both sides by 2.29. Get x equals 2.991266. Same thing in 35, except now we have more terms. I'm going to start by combining my like terms. So 14 minus 6 is just 8. Negative 5x minus 6x is negative 11x. Now I'm going to do my movements. So I'm going to move the negative 11x to this side. And in the same step, I'm going to move this 8 to that side. So it becomes a negative 8. I'm going to combine my like terms. So that's 6x equals to 0. And divide by 6. Just get x equals 0. Same thing in question number 36. I have 3 minus 4x minus 1 equals to 9x plus 3 minus 19x. I'm going to start by combining like terms. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9x minus 19x is negative 10x. I'm going to do my movements. So negative 4x plus 10x equals 3 minus 2. 6x equals to 1. Divide by 6. Get x equals 0.166667. 37 is slightly different, but same idea. So you have 2y minus 14, 6y minus 14 equals to 1918. I'm going to start by eliminating my bracket, so I'm going to multiply the negative 14 into the bracket. So I have 2y minus 84y plus 196 equals to 1918. Next I'm going to combine my like terms. So that's going to be negative 82y plus 196 equals 1918. I'm going to move this to the other side. So negative 82y equals to 1918 minus 196. So 1722, and then I divide both sides by negative 82. I get y equals negative 21. For question number 38, it's the same idea, it's just with fractions. So I have y minus 607y equals to 24. So I'm just going to do this in my calculator. I'm going to combine the like terms in my calculator by typing 1 minus 6 divided by 7. Yes, that's all I did. I typed that in my calculator. When I convert it to a fraction, I get 1 over 7. So I know 1 over 7y equals 24. I'm going to multiply the 7 on the other side, so 1y equals 24 times 7. And y equals, oops, missing the 4 there. 24 times 7 is 168. Okay, and same thing in number 39. I have y minus 2 over 3y equals 16. Now start by subtracting these two. I'll get 1 over 3y equals to 16. 1y equals to 16 times 3. Y equals 48.